In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize your tables in Google Sheets by converting them to a formatted table. This useful skill will help you organize data more effectively and make your spreadsheets visually appealing. Let's dive right into it. First, you'll want to open a Google Sheet. If you don't already have one open, launch your browser, head over to Google Sheets, and open the document you want to work with. This is your blank canvas for applying these customization techniques. Now that your sheet is open, the next step is to highlight all the cells you want to include in your table. To do this, simply click and drag your mouse across the desired cells. You can also hold down the Shift key and click from the beginning to the end of your data selection for a more precise approach. Once highlighted, these cells are ready for transformation. Next, we move to the conversion part. Google Sheets doesn't have a direct Convert to Table button like some other spreadsheet software. But don't worry. Click on the Data menu at the top, and what you're looking for is the Filter feature. Apply this filter, and you'll notice small arrow buttons appear in each header cell. These enable sorting and filtering, giving your selection some table-like functionality. Once applied, let's further enhance our data by clicking on the Format menu. This is where Google Sheets truly shines in its ability to allow you to beautify and organize your information. Once in the Format menu, look for the Table Formatting option. Selecting it will open various customization choices. Here's where it gets exciting. You can choose a predefined style by clicking on Default Styles. This is a collection of standardized table aesthetics that you can apply in one click. They're tailored to fit various common needs and preferences, providing both professionalism and ease of understanding to those viewing your data. But don't worry if you don't fall in love with the default styles immediately. Google Sheets lets you take your creativity a step further by selecting additional colors. This feature gives you the freedom to match your company's branding colors, or simply to choose hues that make your data pop. Find a balance that enhances readability without overwhelming the viewer. And that's it. By following these straightforward steps, you've successfully customized your table in Google Sheets, making it more functionally dynamic and visually appealing. Remember, you have complete control and can always mix and match styles and colors until you achieve the perfect look for your data. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial helps you create better organized and more visually pleasing spreadsheets in the future. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more helpful tutorials. See you in the next video.